This is the Frugal Gardener. I recently did a video on how people are wasting money by buying new seeds every spring when they never finish using the old ones. So I decided to put it to the test. You don't have to buy new seeds every year if you properly store the ones that you didn't use from the year before. So as an experiment, I'm going to attempt to germinate these lettuce seeds and these spinach seeds. The difference is these seeds were packaged back in 2019, and these lettuce seeds were packaged in 2016, somewhere in there. I'm not sure if you can see that, but these seeds have been around for a while. So let's see what happens. The germination rate falls off about 10% a year. So that means if you plant 10 seeds and you save the seeds and plant what's left the following year, you're probably not going to get all of them to germinate. You're going to probably get maybe 80 to 90%. These seeds are a lot older. The seeds, as I said in the previous video, need to be kept in a cool, dark, dry area. I keep mine in the refrigerator or in the freezer. Doesn't necessarily have to be. Now, I moved recently, so these were taken out and not put back for a while. And we'll see if that affects this experiment. Obviously, everything that I plant here is not going to stay here. This is my little experimental container, and if these do germinate and sprout, then I'll transfer them over to someplace more permanent. You can see here, I'm just going to press these down a little bit. I've already done the lettuce. These over here are the spinach, just enough to cover them. Now, of course, these aren't going to stay outside because if you notice, it's December the 19th, so I'm in zone 7, formerly zone 6B, and I'm going to put these on a heat mat, and I'm going to use a grow light, and in about 2 weeks, we should have germination. We should have something. I'm actually curious to see how many of these germinate. I mean, I do save these seeds for years, and it's better than throwing them away. I mean, seeds are $4 or $5 a pack now, depending upon when you buy them, where you buy them, what kind of seeds you get. So this is a good way to save money. Okay, this is the Frugal Gardener. I am here year round. I hope you guys subscribe. I'm trying to get my numbers up to 2,000 subscribers, so help me out. Subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will catch you guys on the next video in a couple of days, and I'll come back in about 2 weeks and show you what's going on with this. I'm the Frugal Gardener. Remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. You guys have a great day.